It is tea time. Welcome back, everybody, to Holidays and Celebrations, where we learn to celebrate the holidays and where we celebrate life. And guys, in today's video, we're going to be honoring all of the tea holidays that's in our calendar. So this video is honoring tea holidays and health awareness holidays as well, guys. So I wanted to share with you one of my favorite teas, and it is a Yogi brand of tea, and the name of it is Caramel Apple Spice. Now they call this the Slim Life, and their box says energizes and supports a dieting program. But now this tea, guys, you don't have to drink this just because you're on a diet or you're health conscious or anything like that. You can drink this anytime that you want an energy boost, because that's exactly what it is. It's a bit of an energy boost. And the back of the box tells you about the Indulge with Caramel Apple Spice Slim Life. And it says to add this, you know, if you have a program, an exercise program that you're following. It aids in your balance of your diet. Okay, guys? Now, what I wanted to tell you, if you look at this beautiful box right here, you can see the pretty picture that they have on the front shows that it has cinnamon in it, it has apple in it, and it has caramel in it as well. And I love any kind of tea that has a hint of caramel in it, guys. But what we're going to do here, I'm going to show you how I like to drink it. I have my teapot right here ready to go. I already have it about halfway of water in it right now, hot water, because you want this tea bag to steep for about 5 minutes, guys, before you pour it and drink it. Okay, so while that is getting really, really hot and steeping for me, I've got my teacup right here. And what I like to do, although it says it has a picture of the cinnamon stick on it, there's not a real strong cinnamon flavor in it. So I normally like to take a cinnamon stick and I'll pop it in my cup as well. But also in my teacup, I like to add either grated fresh apple, or I like dried apple pieces just like this right here. And all I'm going to do, I'm going to just pour it in there in the bottom to get it ready for me to pour the hot tea on top of it. Okay, guys? Now, I am going to add the rest of my hot water in here now, guys, because I want it piping hot. Now I have a spoon in here to collect the heat when I put that water in, okay? So add some more hot water here. There we go. Now I'm gonna see the steam coming off of that spoon. Guys, so you put the spoon in there to keep it from busting your pot when you add the scalding water in there, guys. So always remember to do that. And then I'm going to put my lid back on, and I'm going to turn it and lock it down. Okay. So we have our cinnamon in the cup. We have our apple pieces in the cup, and now we're going to add our hot tea in there. You're going to hear my dog Lucy in the background. Okay. Now, guys, you'll see the apple pieces floating on top. Okay. They will rise to the top, and they will start absorbing that hot tea. Lucy in the background. Okay. Now, guys, you'll see the apple pieces floating on top. Okay. Okay, they will rise to the top and they will start absorbing that hot tea, and it'll start releasing the sweetness of the apples. Now you can put as many dried apples in there or fresh apples as you want. Now, every time I drink caramel tea, you have a choice to put lemon in it, or you can put cream. Whenever I have caramel, I enjoy pretty much the cream in my tea when I have the caramel. So let's stir that around. Wow, that's beautiful. Now guys, you do have the option to, if it's not strong enough for you, you can pop open another tea bag and put it in there with it. Every time I drink caramel tea, you have a choice to put lemon in it, or you can put cream. Whenever I have caramel, I enjoy pretty much the cream in my tea when I have the caramel. So let's stir that around. Wow, that's beautiful. Now guys, you do have the option to, if it's not strong enough for you, you can pop open another tea bag and put it in there with it. Like, let me show you this box of tea. When you open this tea, so you open it over here, this is what it looks like inside. They're going to be stacked up individual serving size tea bags, okay? Individual. And if you want it a little bit stronger, then by all means just go in here, pop open another tea bag and put it in there and let it steep some more. Now while that's getting ready, I'm going to let it sit for about a minute, and we're going to hop back over here and look at our Yogi box, okay? Now what I want you to see is this is a box that has herbs in this tea, okay? This is healthy list of herbs. I'm going to flip it around for you here, and we're going to get the magnifying glass, so hopefully you can look at this a little bit better and we can see the supplement facts, okay? So we're going to pull it down right here and we're going to take a look at it. Now, one of the main ingredients in this tea is a leaf from the rainforest, and it's spelt Rooibos, Rooibos leaf. I hope I didn't butcher that. And then of course you have black tea, you have cinnamon bark, you have a berry in there, guys, and Sanderberry. I don't know if I said that correctly either. We have apple, cardamom pod, ginger root, clove bud, and we have black pepper. So there you go, guys. That is the list of the herbs that's listed in there. Now, everybody, if you want more information on anything about my video today, when you finish watching this video, you can go in the description of the video below it, and you can find more information about this video. Now, for all my Patreon members, guys, I have a text listing of all the tea holidays that I will be putting in the Patreon section for everybody, okay? So guys, there we go. This is how I enjoy my caramel apple spice tea. I like an extra tea bag. I have one in the teapot, and then I put an extra tea bag in my cup because I just really like it a little bit stronger. Now when I pull it up through the sunlight, you can see all that beautiful tea and all those herbs in that tea bag through the sunlight there. Isn't that beautiful? Now, guys, the Yogi brand, on every one of their tea bags, they have a sweet little inspiration. So I'm gonna flip over what our inspiration is for today, and let's see what it is, okay? I need to light my candle because I am about to sit down to this tea and enjoy it, okay? And I like a candle when I'm drinking my tea. But let's take a look at our inspiration for today, okay? If we give happiness to others, we will end up happy. Is that not a true statement or what, guys? If we give happiness to others, we will end up happy. So guys, I hope you try this beautiful caramel apple spice tea. It's really good. Hope you sit down and relax, enjoy it, so you'll be able to go out in the world and give some happiness back to the world. Because after all, guys, just like our little tea bag says, if we give happiness to others, we will end up happy ourselves. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. We have lots more video planned for this channel. We have several health related videos that's lined up coming up, and I also have about a dozen health related tea time videos to share with you guys as well. So keep an eye out for the upcoming calendar, guys. Again, subscribe if you love the calendar and if you want to be a calendar keeper with us. All right, guys, God bless. Have a great day and happy holidays.